Welcome to our channel. If you want to unlock free entertainment on your Firestick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your Firestick and navigate to the search function. Search for downloader and install it. Step 2. Open the downloader app and click the URL bar at the center of the interface. Step 3. Type in the downloader code that unlocks free Firestick entertainment and click Go. Step 4. Wait while the APK file downloads. The progress bar will indicate when it's complete. Step 5. After downloading, you'll see an install prompt. Click Install to begin installation. Step 6. Once installation completes, click Done. Consider deleting the APK file afterward. Step 7. Go to your Firestick home screen and find the unlocked entertainment app in your apps list. Step 8. Launch the app and enjoy free access to movies, TV shows, live channels, sports, and more. Explore various categories and discover diverse entertainment content without any subscription fees. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.